Yeah, the first night we just moved out of the mooring and moved into a little harbor, joined Jeff, and just a few shots of us coming off the mooring, sailing down to where Jeff was. Uh, we wrapped it up with him, got the kids settled. Yeah. Hello, John here. Yeah, we got the kids off for spring break, and we decided to take them out for 4 days and stay on Malaya. We sailed out of Ladysmith down to a place called Hook. It's on the east side of Saltspring Island, so we sailed actually completely around Saltspring Island in 4 days. We made a stop at Walker's Hook and a stop at Cowichan Bay, and the first night we stayed just in a small bay on Ladysmith to get the kids used to the boat, and then we sailed back. We didn't get a lot of wind. We did some motoring, some sailing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. So that's Jeff's boat over there. We got another boat in between us. A bunch of dinghies. Oh, that's where the boathouse was. It's tore down now. The other boat's still on the beach. Jeff's tackling that right away. This island is Dinsmere Island, and it's owned by a marina in Seattle. And in the winter there's no boats here, but in the summer it's full of boats. Say hi, Serenity. The grandkids are with us. Kason and Serenity. Yeah, Jeff's got his boat running. You probably hear the motor. I'll just give you a panorama of the Dinsmere Island, or this bay. That's where we come in over there, and then this is all First Nations land along this shore. We're here for hundreds of years.
He's making coffee.
And the sun's coming up over there even though we can't see it. We got the stove on, obviously. Yeah, that's the mill over there where you can see the smoke. And then Dirk decided to cook us a nice breakfast. Look at this, folks. We got sausages and hash browns and eggs in the kitchen. Oh, wow. Thank God for barbecues, eh? Oh, okay, I'm just hungry. Oh, just hungry, man. Is anybody else hungry?
Yeah, me, I'm hungry.
Oh, there's a couple of hungry kids in there. Holy smokes. You're attracting the seals. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that'd be covered.
So, we got a spinnaker line tangle across the cross arm. When they brought it down yesterday, they went through the cross arm. So
I brought it down.
So Serenity's gonna go up. She's got a harness on, and because she's light, she's easy to lift.
Or do you want me to like grab it and
Your motor's gotta go down lower.
Okay.
Yeah.
Woo! Let's go.
Let's go, she says.
Come on, Daddy. You can do this.
Oh, you're heavy. Where's the wind charm though?
Have you got
I don't have
the
wind charm.
handle? Right in here, Jeff, in the pocket.
Now we can do this too. Let's go so up high. Whoa! You could have told me! Jeez! Oh, I see why I caught myself real through.
Okay.
Come on.
I know, I just gotta move my hand. about.
Just put your foot on the last one and you'll be high enough.
So what do you want?
Your foot on the last one.
Okay, you're good enough there. Just pull that rope through. On
No.
the other side though, push it on the other side of that.
Go up a little more.
Go up a little more.
Little more. Till her foot can get on the...
Yeah. And then pull that rope to your right. So, yeah, and put it down on the other side.
Oh, I see.
And pull it out of there. Like, yeah, lift it right up. No.
You
Pull
gotta
this up. Take it to you.
pull it, bring
pull it
this
all the way
end
up.
up,
Yeah, pull it all the way up. Yeah.
and then put it down on the other side.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Now you can drop it down.
I don't
Yeah.
want to drop it.
Okay, slowly bring it down. There you go.
Is that right now?
Yeah, now you can just whip it around.
There.
Whoop.
There you go. There we go now. Safely retreat down.
Bring me down.
Okay, just hang on.
Woo!
She's fearless, I gotta give her that.
I mean, I didn't know I was scared of heights.
Wave at the camera.
Hey!
Okay, I'm bringing it down.
Okay!
Okay.
Oh, these holders are meant for big legs.
Well, you have to have a rope on you. Like, there's no other way to use those. I tried to climb it without a rope. I can't get my legs that far apart.
I know, they'd have to be way more put in.
Put more steps in. Now there's a brave little girl.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell everybody you're okay.
Bye!
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's our hero for the day.
Woo!
Hey Jeff,
Yeah.
good morning. Now we'll swing around and show you a few things here. Oh, there's a pup.
Nice.
Okay, we need to use that so that one.
Some birds flying over.
Nice, and that one doesn't come out.
A little breeze blowing, so when we get out in the channel, we should have a little wind. We got the motor warming up.
Like hang on a bird.
We're about ready to cast off. Had to get that little job done first.
Call me when you're.
Give us a wave, Jeff.
I'll let you go.
Okay, bye for now.
Okay.
You could turn a little throttle on if you want.
Yeah, let's do some throttle. I want to throw some food out for the duckies.
Say good morning, Serenity.
Morning!
Hi, Captain Dirk.
Hello.
Oh, wind channel. Put that in the cockpit. We got a few seagulls playing around on the dock. That's Ladysmith Harbor back there.
Beautiful place.
This is the island we were at a little earlier.
Oh, we forgot to go get and take pictures.
And we're headed out. This is all First Nations. They have some beautiful homes there too.
You little kitties, you.
The big ship out there.
The oars are sticking out the dinghy.
Oh,
Never put them away. Mark?
yeah.
Yeah. So good.
You gotta go out this way. Huh?
There shouldn't be a rock out here.
Wow.
There is a little bit.
I was being cautious.
Yeah, no, that's it. It could have been a huge log too.
Yeah. That's the town of Ladysmith over there. We have another sailboat going out. We got company, Dirk. That's the island, the tip of it. That's our harbor marker boy out there. And right over there you see a dock. That's Pamela Anderson's dock. Yeah, Pamela Anderson is from Ladysmith, BC, and at one time she lived in that house. She comes home every once in a while, but not very often. She has a house in California as well. Yeah. Look at how pretty it is, the clouds on top of the mountains.
It's even nicer when the water is calm.
And we're gonna go sailing.
Yay!
See you later.
Hello.
Say hi, Case.
Hi.
We're sailing, guys. Can almost shut the motor off here. A lot of times we run the motor just for safety. If we lose the wind and we're close to shore like that, we can get out of trouble in a hurry. It's not, it's just idling. It's not pushing the boat at all. The wind's pushing the boat. There's Malaya in full sail. We got the spinnaker line down last night, thanks to Serenity, so we might even try the spinnaker. Way to go, Star!
I did it again. Yes, I did it again.
This is Tent Island. It's an interesting rock formation here on the corner. Right now it's low tide. You can tell by the rocks over there. Tide comes up to that black line on the rocks. Yeah, it's really hard getting used.
Stepped on the can and rubbed.
But we're sailing, folks. John's a happy boy. Sailing Malaya and the Gulf Islands. I think we'll go over there around Saltspring Island and find the anchorage on the other side. Kind of broken-hearted about that replacement. It wasn't really big enough. The new one's 1200 watts, so it's a lot bigger. Anyway, we'll talk to you soon. Hope you're enjoying the video. This is Tent Island. It's an interesting rock formation here on the corner. Right now it's low tide. You can tell by the rocks over there. Tide comes up to that black line on the rocks. Yeah, it's really hard getting used to when you first come out here because we get 11-foot tides, you know. And I'll be okay. I just watched the sailboat go around there.
Oh,
That's something. You don't always go by the other guy. You know. But we're sailing, folks. John's a happy boy. Sailing Malaya and the Gulf Islands. Hi folks, John here. We just turned the corner of the north end of Saltspring Island. That's the channel marker back there. Nice sand beach here. Yeah, what's it called? North End Beach? Or?
South End.
South End Beach. Oh, anyway. It's kind of pretty over here. So we pulled in the Walker's Hook, anchored up for the night. Stayed there. I think I'm going to cut it off here because this video is getting a little long. We'll have part 2 next week. So stay tuned. We'll sail the Cowichan Bay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Like I say, we'll see you on the next one.